In today's video, let me show you how to fix the BSN login problem Malaysia. Now, if you're having issues logging into your internet banking of BSN, the first thing that you can try out is try to ensure that the credentials that you're entering are correct. For example, if you think that you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on the forgot password and then you'll be able to reset your password. Now, if this is not the case for you, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear out the browser cache. So simply tap on the three-dotted line on the top right, head over to delete browsing data, and make sure that you tap on the delete option on the bottom of the screen. If you're using the mobile application, you need to clear out the app cache or simply reinstall the application onto your device. Now, if none of these solutions are still working out for you, then this could also likely be happening due to you switching to a new device. So if you recently upgraded to a new device and if you're trying to log into your account first time, this may be happening due to the device swap issues. So in this situation, what you need to do is just contact the customer support of the BSN, and then you should be able to solve this issue within 12 hours. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.